welcome to IMTEX 2023. This is Neha Basudkar Ghate, Assistant Editor at Operations Manufacturing magazine. We have here with us John Mangus, who is the Asia Operations Manager at OGP. So let's start with the interview. Welcome to Efficient Manufacturing, sir. Sir, could you please brief about the company and the new product that has been launched at IMTEX?
Yeah. So we've been around. We just celebrated our 75th anniversary. We're based out of New York, Rochester, upstate. We started with optical measurement machines, optical comparators, way back in the 20s. Now we've worked into video measurement machines, our very bread and butter. We've worked into multi-sensor with tactile sensors, lasers, Renishaw touch probes, and we offer a diverse amount of machines now. We also have shaft measurement machines we've worked into. Our shape grabber 3D scanners are also new lines, and our newest addition is our Smart Scope E7. So we are working with that. It's called our IntelliCentric Zoom. Instead of having any moving parts in here, we have a full digital zoom. It's all done through software, so there's no time in between changing of magnification levels. It's going to be one of our bigger sellers. We weren't able to have one here at the show, unfortunately. We've had many challenges over the last couple of years, obviously, as you know, with the global chip shortage, and I think our company has navigated it much better than other companies would. We are vertically integrated. We manufacture the controls, the motion controls at our factory. Our optics are all designed in Rochester, New York, as well as the bases are machined. So it's been a very tough few years, but QVI and OGP have got through it, and it's been a very interesting experience. But we've come out on top, I think, and our Indian market is going to be very, very successful in the next number of years.
Great. Could you also please brief us, or rather, tell your experience that IMTEX is happening after like 4 years now. So how is the footfall that you have been experiencing, and how has your product really elevated into the market in these last couple of years?
Yeah, so it's been a wonderful show so far. We have a great showing, very quality leads. People have come in. There might not have been as many people as there was before the pandemic, but everyone that's come through has been very, very quality leads, good questions, and good. I think we're going to have a lot of success with the people that are here. So it's been a great show so far. People have been interested in especially our newer equipment, and hope it continues into the next years.
Great. Looking at the current scenario where the world is actually going through recession and some global economic problems, so how do you feel the industry is really elevating itself to reach it to the benchmark that globally, or the Indian market that has been set up? So how is your product in that scenarios is helping the Indian market along with the global market?
I think our Indian market is very strong now. The industry is growing here. We have a lot of automotive industry coming through. So it's been a very, very good industry for us. In America, everyone's had challenges the last couple of years, and that hit the whole globe, I think, so equally. So I don't think anyone's done better or worse, but navigating it and getting through it, I think our company and our QVI India office has done a wonderful job of keeping sales and keeping our technical people up to speed without having to come back to our office. I think they've done a wonderful job of supporting our customers, and I think it's only going to get better from here on out.
So that was Mr. John signing off with Mr. Tarun Pine, who is a cameraman. Thank you.